Hey everyone, just making a quick video on a latch repair for Samsung microwave model ME18H704SFS. Some of the repair videos that I saw already online, this is the latch that is installed here. The other videos that I saw were particularly for if this piece broke off. And when my latch stopped working, I was like, okay, there's videos for that. Perfect. This is what I'm expecting. I'll just do the repair video. Well, this is actually intact. It's the other piece that the spring connects to on the inside of the door for me that actually broke. And what this looks like is there is this little piece of plastic attached to the frame, which looks like it was attached right here, the inside. I ended up removing it. It's a little infuriating that that little piece that's so important is plastic. Well, my solution to this was that this piece is actually metal. I couldn't get a bit in there to drill it out, and I was running out of ideas, so I completely MacGyvered this, in which I took a typical wrap, like metal wrap that you would see on your groceries, and I used that to essentially create an extension onto a existing hole to the metal frame. So that looks like that. So what you want to do is you want to make the length line up so the spring is in the same location where the other hook was for the spring. So then, with that in place, it helps a lot if you have a pair of tweezers or something on hand to feed the wire through. If you have other wire, that's probably even better, but I couldn't find any. So then we have our latch here. We connect it. Then I'm gonna put you down for 1 second. Alright, sorry about that. I want to show you this live. Alright, so you basically have to just lift up the hinge and you'll see that there's 2 pins that will drop into, I'm assuming, other pieces of plastic for the alignment. And looks good. There's some tension on it, so if you're in a bind and you're trying to fix your your microwave and that internal door hook broke off for you, you can fix it for basically free, just from something you get from the supermarket. Hope this helps somebody. Bye.